In this video, we'll show you how you can transfer files from your phone to your PC over the internet without any hassle. To start the process, open the Google Play Store and search for Wi-Fi FTP Server, then tap Install. Once it's downloaded, tap Open, then tap Start, and allow the necessary permissions. Now you'll see a server URL, user ID, and password. These are the details we'll use to connect your phone to your computer. Set your phone aside, and on your PC, go to This PC or My Computer. Right-click on any blank space and click on Add a Network Location. In the window that opens, click Next. Click Next again. Now enter the server URL displayed in the Wi-Fi FTP Server app and hit Next. Uncheck the box, then enter the username shown in the app and click Next. Here, give a name for this network location, anything you like, and then click Finish. Now enter the password, which is also provided in the app, and you're all set. Your phone is now connected to your computer. You can access all your files and transfer them from Android to PC via Wi-Fi. To check if it works, I'll copy a PDF file from my PC and paste it into my phone's storage. Back on my phone's file manager, you can see the PDF file is here, and I can open it as well. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer files from your Android phone to your PC wirelessly without using any cables. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips, tutorials, and simple solutions. Got questions or want to see more tutorials like this? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.